This video is to show how historic AR magazines are computer enhanced after they've been scanned. I'll load that image. Now this has been scanned at 300 dpi. It's in very high resolution, as you can see, but it's too high a resolution to conveniently put on the internet. To look on a computer screen, you want to see the whole page in the best quality, and particularly on a tablet. This one is square. You do have to rotate a lot of the images. The eye can pick about 0.2 of a degree. This one's quite accurate. You can see by that line there it's close enough. I don't include much of the edges because once again on a tablet you want it to fill the screen. So I crop to that. This particular image has no photographs. Photographs require a completely different treatment when they're on the page, and I'll show you what I mean by that. We now resize it. It resizes down to 1000 dots from left to right. So this now is the actual size of the page. It needs computer enhancement. As you can see, the text is not that dark. This increases the black and it crushes the whites. If you don't put in some white crushing, which is shown as highlight, you can see the page underneath. It's better that it looks white. If you go too far with this, it starts to impinge on the text, as you can see. So I found that for most pages that's about correct. With a photograph on the page, you can't use this normally because it doesn't produce a good result with a photograph. You have to use a gamma correction one, which is this one here. It's a non-linear thing, and that works better on photographs, but I'll show you that later. Okay, so we've got a reasonable result there. Next thing is to sharpen it a bit more, and then to remove any blemishes on the page. There's a few on this one. You're really just copying the white space onto where you see any blotches on the page. That's pretty good. Now it's now saved separately. I keep the original at the higher resolution, and this one I save separately. It's now saved in a separate directory and is now ready to put into a HTML editor and then upload it onto the internet.